Form over ego.
This is very important kasi pag maayos yung form mo over your ego, syempre mas less yung risk mo for injuries and you maximize your result also.
Supplements.
This is not important kasi yung mga nutrients na nakukuha mo sa supplements, you can get it from Whole Foods also. So kaya sila supplements because pangdagdag lang sila.
Progress tracking.
This is important kasi dito ka makakita talaga ng results more than just weight tracking. Kailangan mo makita yung progress mo sa gym, progress mo sa sleep, progress mo sa steps.
Consistency in workouts plus nutrition.
Very important. Yung results, they come from consistency. Mapa-workout man yan o nutrition, showing up even if you don't feel like it. Kaya very important.
Meal prepping.
This is very important kasi dito manggagaling yung majority ng result and ng goal na gusto mo in your fitness. So, kailangan maayos yung nutrition, maayos yung meals mo throughout the week and you get that through meal prepping.
Consistently hitting your workouts.
Ito, again, consistency is better than trying to be perfect kasi if you're trying to be perfect, then mahihirapan ka talaga yan because wala namang perfect. It's better na you show up kahit na hindi 100% yung kaya mo that day. At least you showed up.